Today we decode how blockchain actually works. Simple, fast, zero boring talk. The old internet had one big flaw. You always needed a middleman. They controlled your money. Blockchain removed that control and gave power back to the users. Imagine a magical notebook. Every transaction gets written inside, and this notebook copies to everyone. If someone writes a lie, other notebooks catch it instantly. Transactions go into digital boxes. These boxes are called blocks. When a block is full, it locks forever. Each block has a unique fingerprint. Change the block, fingerprint changes, and the whole chain breaks. This makes cheating impossible. Miners are not people with helmets. They are powerful computers solving puzzles. Whoever solves the puzzle first wins crypto. This is called proof of work. Before we continue, listen carefully because this part can change your trading journey. I run premium private groups where I guide serious traders only. My monthly group is just $99 per month. But the real value is in my yearly group. It's $699 per year plus 20% profit share per trade. You don't just get signals, you get direction. You don't gamble, you follow real analysis. Every trade is transparent with entry, SL, TP. All links are in the description and pinned comment. If you're serious, join now and level up your trading. Blockchain doesn't ask for your ID or your bank account. Anyone on Earth can join. You don't need to master blockchain to use it. But understanding it gives you an edge.